Today's video is not about a motorcycle or a scooter review. Today, we'll be talking about clean and green vehicles. As India is heading in the direction of pure electric mobility, more and more manufacturers are venturing into this space. Now talking of electric two-wheelers, electric scooters currently have the dominance. And Gemopai Electric is one such brand that claims to offer not just quality electric scooters, but promising after-sales support as well. Today, we are at their production facility in Greater Noida to see how Gemopai electric scooters are made. But before we show you the entire process of scooter manufacturing at Gemopai production facility, let's first get some facts. The chassis for the vehicles are outsourced and hence they come to the factory in a ready condition. After that, in the fork assembly area, the fork and tires are assembled on the chassis. After that, the seat lock and controller are put in the pre-assembly area. There is also a plastic pre-assemble area in which all the plastics of the scooter are pre-assembled before they are fitted on the scooters. Once this is done, the process for the assembly line starts. As you can see, certain parts are installed on the scooter at different positions. The assembly line is 25 meters long and there are a total of 12 stations on the line at which workers fit different parts on the scooter. At a time, around 24 people work on the assembly line. Once the scooter comes out of the assembly line, it has to go to the quality control area in which all units have to go through a rigorous quality check, and in case of any faults, these have to go back to the assembly line to get fixed. Once this is done, the scooters are ready for dispatch to the dealerships. The time required to assemble one scooter at this factory is 8 to 9 minutes. Gemopai's production facility in Greater Noida currently rolls out around 1500 units of scooters every month. The said facility has a capacity of 500 scooters per day at present, which can be doubled to 1000 units depending on the market demand.
Hi, my name is Sanjeev. This is my Gemopai राइडर स्कूटर. इससे पहले मैं पेट्रोल स्कूटी चलाता था. दैन अभी मैं 3 साल से Gemopai चला रहा हूँ, जिसमें मुझे इनकी सर्विस बहुत अच्छी लगी, क्योंकि पहले तो स्कूटर में मुझे कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं हुआ है, कभी भी, नथिंग. जितने भी मैंने इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर यूज़ किए, सबसे बेस्ट बिल्ड क्वालिटी लगी. इसकी ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम बहुत अच्छा है और सबसे अच्छा इसके अंदर एंटी थेफ्ट अलार्म सिस्टम है. ज़ीरो नॉइस, ज़ीरो पोल्यूशन, गाड़ी बिल्कुल साइलेंट है, जो कि आपको कार वाला फील आता है. ये इसके टायर्स है 10 इंची विद डिस्क ब्रेक. मैंने इसको इतने पानी में रनिंग किया है दिल्ली के अंदर, कभी स्कूटर बंद नहीं हुआ. पेट्रोल स्कूटर या बाइक बंद हो जाती है, कभी बंद नहीं हुआ है. सिंगल मैंने 150 किलोमीटर विद 32-35 की स्पीड पे चलाया है. विद पिलियन 120 दिल्ली NCR में चलाया है.